Hello students, in this e-lecture we shall study an important operation on matrices, that is transpose of a matrix. If A is a matrix of order m by n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A. Transpose of the matrix A is denoted by the symbols as written here. In other words, if A is a matrix of order m by n with elements aij, then transpose of A is a matrix of order n by m with elements aji. For example, here A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Then transpose of A is a matrix of order 3 by 2. As you can see, elements of first row of matrix A becomes the elements of first column of transpose of matrix A, and elements of second row of matrix A becomes elements of second column of transpose of matrix A as shown here. Take one more example. Here B is a square matrix of order 2. Then order of transpose of matrix B is also 2 by 2, but position of elements is changed when we interchange its rows and columns. As you can see, elements of first row of matrix B becomes the elements of first column of transpose matrix of B, and elements of second row of matrix B becomes elements of second column of transpose of matrix B. In general, we can say while writing transpose of a given matrix, rows of given matrix becomes column of transpose of matrix, and column of given matrix becomes rows of transpose of the matrix. Let's discuss some properties of transpose of the matrices. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders means choose the matrices of that order on which operation of matrices like addition, subtraction, multiplication are defined. Now, first property is transpose of a matrix A is equals to matrix A itself. Second property, transpose of K into matrix A is equals to K into transpose of matrix A, where K is any constant. Third property, transpose of A plus B equals to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Fourth property, transpose of product of A and B is equals to product of transpose of B into transpose of A. Students, fourth property is also known as reversal law of transpose of matrices. Now, we verify all these properties with the help of examples. If A is a matrix of order 3 by 2 with elements 4 minus 3 in first row, 2 0 in second row, 5 and minus 1 in third row, then transpose of matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A as shown. So transpose of A is a matrix with elements 4, 2, 5 in first row, minus 3, 0, minus 1 in second row. Now, if we take transpose of this new matrix as shown, we get a matrix which is equals to A. So we have verified the first property, that transpose of A matrix equals to matrix A itself. Moving to the next question. In this question, A and B are two matrices of same order, that is 2 by 3, and we will have to verify transpose of 2A equals to 2 into transpose of A, and transpose of A plus B equals to transpose of A plus transpose of B. For first part, first find 2A. For that, multiply each element of matrix A with 2. We get a matrix with elements 6, minus 4, 10 in first row, 2, 0 and minus 2 in second row. Now, take transpose of 2A. Transpose of matrix 2A is a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of 2A as shown, and we get a matrix of order 3 by 2. Now, for right hand side, first take transpose of matrix A, and it is a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A as shown. Now, multiply transpose of matrix A with scalar 2. It means multiply each element of transpose of matrix A with 2, we get a matrix of order 3 by 2 as shown. Students, you can observe that transpose of matrix 2A equals to 2 into transpose of matrix A. So second property is verified here. For second part, first find A plus B. Since order of A and B are same, so A plus B is defined. To find A plus B, add the corresponding elements of A and B as shown. We get a matrix with elements 7, 1, 7 in first row, 1, minus 5 and 0 in second row. Now, take transpose of the matrix A plus B. Order of A plus B is 2 by 3. So, order of transpose of A plus B is 3 by 2. By interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A plus B, we get transpose of matrix A plus B as shown. For right hand side, first we find transpose of matrix A and transpose of matrix B. Transpose of A we have already find for first part of question. So here we find transpose of matrix B as shown. Then add the transpose of matrix A and transpose of matrix B, we get a new matrix of order 3 by 2 as shown. As you can see, this new matrix is also equals to transpose of A plus B. So, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Moving to the next question. In this question, A is a matrix of order 3 by 1 and B is a matrix of order 1 by 3. We have to verify transpose of product of A and B equals to product of transpose of B and transpose of A. For left hand side, first we find product of A and B. As order of matrix A is 3 by 1 and order of matrix B is 1 by 3, AB is defined and order of matrix AB is 3 by 3. So write the general matrix of order 3 by 3 for AB. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get a matrix of order 3 by 3 with elements 2, 1, 4 in first row, minus 4, minus 2, minus 8 in second row, and minus 6, minus 3, minus 12 in third row. Now, take transpose of AB. As order of AB is 3 by 3, so order of transpose of AB is also 3 by 3. But position of elements is changed when we interchange rows and columns of matrix AB. So write the transpose of matrix AB as shown. In next step, we write transpose of matrix A, which is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A as shown. Similarly, we find transpose of matrix B. Now, for right hand side, we need product of transpose of matrix B and transpose of matrix A. First write these two matrices. As number of columns of first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix, so product is defined and order of new matrix is 3 by 3. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get a matrix of order 3 by 3 with elements 2, minus 4, minus 6 in first row, 1, minus 2, minus 3 in second row, 4, minus 8, minus 12 in third row, which is same as transpose of AB. So, we have proved that transpose of product of AB equals to product of transpose of B and transpose of A. Take one more question. In this question, transpose of matrix A is given to us and one more matrix B is also given to us. We have to find transpose of 3A plus 2B. By using third property, first we write transpose of 3A plus 2B equals to transpose of 3A plus transpose of 2B. This is equals to 3 into transpose of A plus 2 into transpose of B. Here we have used second property. Now, transpose of A is given, write it directly, and transpose of B we obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix B as shown. In the next step, multiply each element of transpose of matrix A with 3 and multiply each element of transpose of matrix B with 2. We get two matrices as shown. Now, add the corresponding elements of these two matrices as shown. So, we get transpose of matrix 3A plus 2B equals to a matrix of order 2 by 2 with elements -8, 15, 3 and 10. Students, I hope that you all have understood about transpose of the matrices and its properties. So try to solve question number 1 to 5 of exercise 3.3 from NCERT. Thank you.